Well, I got this yesterday from my uncle, and it's a Edison Comfort fan, 12-inch, model 124004, 3-speed, and it came with its original box. See here. And here's the fan, if I can get it out. Oh boy, that was a bad idea putting it in a box. Hold up 1 second. Okay, now it's out of the box, and it's got a nice wood design to it. That is not the original switch. The original switch has got replaced because it got burned up from when I turned it on earlier today. And there's a motor and the blaze. And then I'll fire it up in the next video.